Welcome to ECNTRADE Daily Video. Before we begin, it should be noted that any advice is of a general nature only and that your personal circumstances have not been taken into consideration. Hello everyone, my name is Rob Clayton and thank you for joining me. Once again, the Australian dollar took the challenge to the upside and clearly rejected. From the candlestick, you can see here the market is now poised for a test down. Into tonight, we do have the US inflationary numbers, and the market will be keeping a very close watch to that. Along with that, we do have the ECB rate decision, and the market will scrutinize the statement to see if the central bank is looking to sound more hawkish or more dovish. More to the point, though, the dollar index, which measures the greenback strength against a basket of six major currencies, lies idle above the 90 handle, but still, from a technical point, showing bullish implications. Therefore, should see the Aussie fall towards its bottom side of the range, which is around 76.60. Looking at the euro, the market took a stab to the upside and also left a gravestone doji, and therefore is seeing a little bit more of a bearish bias as we go into the European session. I do anticipate that 190.90 still remains on the cards for the downside, and therefore any advances to the upside should fail. With dollar yen also took a stab to the downside, didn't quite get to the 109.20 level. Still, the technicals are breaking down, and I'm still holding to 108.45. Looking at sterling, well, with the recent opening from the lockdown starting to reverse a little, giving in some question, or was the fact weighing on the pound. In a technical aspect, though, from the two outside range days, I'm still calling to 140 and then reassess from there. That would see sterling yen fall lower towards the target that I'm holding at 153.5. Gold isn't as bullish for the last three days, and now looking towards this trend line. But more to the point, could actually slip through it and trade towards that 1,855 or maybe down to 1,836 if the dollar does increase. Until we get a break above 1,912, the bears will continue to weigh on gold. And looking back on oil, the market has rejected that topside $71 a barrel level, and now looking back towards support, which comes in roughly around 67 to 68, and reassess from there as we could see a short-term bounce. That wraps it for today. Thank you very much for joining me, and as always, look out for the intraday report. I hope you enjoy the rest of the day.